Hello again, Handsome Brian here with yet another of your favourite tongue twisters. This one is short and sweet, but see how you get on anyway. Remember to repeat after me. A purple burglar alarm. This time faster. A purple burglar alarm. And now let's say it 3 times in a row. A purple burglar alarm, a purple burglar alarm, a purple burglar alarm. There we go. Did you have any problems with that? Let me know if you did. Meanwhile, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and make a date to join me again for another of your favourite tongue twisters. Bye for now.